Right, folks, another patron request, this one for John Brooks. Thanks indeed for your support, sir. We are going to be learning Blind Melon the Pusher, and it's a nice, easy one, I think. So let's dive in. Standard tuning. And you're going to mainly be playing two chords. An E major and an A 7. Fretted like that. And the other guitar part is just playing a standard A major. So E to A, basically. And there's a little bit of variation later on, but the main riff is going to go like this. Goes like that, okay? So you're basically playing a couple of incidental things going on, right? But just focus on changing from the E to this A7 shape. And there you've got this down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. And you go back to the E, which hangs over then into the next bar. So you're actually hitting that on the forehand, okay? Notice in the second bar, you're adding a little bit more strumming on the E. That is it, right? The other guitar part comes in after 4 times of that. And you're going to play... much sort of straighter, isn't it? Okay, so 4 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. 15 times round of that. And coming out of that, we're going to go into... that is an F sharp major to an A. But there's a subtle difference in the rhythm because you go... and then in again. And then you can alternate, right, between playing it a bit more straight. You do that for another 19 repeats, right? That's after that little solo comes in. If you want a solo over it, whoops, you can do some E minor pentatonic stuff will work, or some bluesy stuff. Similar sort of change of rhythm for the turnaround again. And you might do now, if we go from those chords again, you'll note that we're going to add one more chord in, which is this G. Okay, so notice you played this twice. Right, that's the first 2 times. The second 2 times, you add the G. Again, notice that little change. There's the first time you play. Go to the E early. Second bar though, you go. So so you're ready to hit that on the first beat of the next bar. Okay? Like that. And then the outro is basically just that again. So we have... and that just fades out, right? But you start with one of these. And then you're into the G, A part, right? And you play that for about 11 or 12 times and it fades out. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.